Put that back. Taking videos.
Talking to somebody?
I'm taking videos for my YouTube page.
Oh.
That was my mom. I'm trying to figure out what these guys are gonna do. Should I go back closer into the darn garage, or I guess I gotta watch them since I'm the only adult out here. How wonderful! We will see. Go twit. Don't fall. Watch out! Don't fall. Cheese. There you go. You better hit that note. Look at that. They like, well, ain't nobody playing with me. He gonna be sensitive. He'll get better at it. Think he a Pisces. And look at this right here, Mr. Jace. Just a little hood out here in the suburbs. The hood in the suburbs. Ain't that something? They're running people over, so I'm gonna have to watch them. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Now they trying to follow their big cousin and shit stuff. Man, if you listening to this, you know adult cuss words happen. I was gonna watch my nephews. Uh, 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 They racing. Come on from Mario Kart 2017.